Did you know that every day, hundreds of traders in the US and Canada lose money, not because they made the wrong trades, but because they're using a powerful platform like MT4 on a terrible broker? It sounds counterintuitive, but here's the truth. MT4 only reaches its full potential when connected to a broker with fast execution, low fees, and clear negative balance protection. If you're trading Forex using MT4 but still experience slow order entries, unstable expert advisors, or frustrating withdrawal processes, then the problem may not be your tools, but the broker you're using. In this video, I'll help you choose the right broker and the right setup to fully unleash the power of MT4, avoid unnecessary losses, and trade more securely in 2025. MetaTrader 4, or MT4, is a very powerful platform. But if you're using it with a broker that has high spreads, slow execution speed, or lacks negative balance protection, you're putting your capital at unnecessary risk. So in today's video, I'm going to help you find the top 3 Forex brokers for MT4 users in the US and Canada. Brokers that offer fast execution, low trading fees, full support for trading robots, and strong fund protection policies. Too many new traders focus only on flashy deposit bonuses or high leverage offers. They often overlook critical factors like regulation, withdrawal processes, and MT4 server quality. Let me share a real case. Jason, an engineer living in Toronto, deposited $1,000 CAD into an offshore broker that offered a 30% bonus. But his trades had a 1 to 2 second delay, causing constant slippage, and it took him more than 10 days to withdraw his funds. Don't let shiny offers cost you your security. If you're looking for a reliable broker to use with MT4, make sure it meets these 5 key criteria. Clear regulation. In the US, look for brokers regulated by the CFTC or NFA. In Canada, IROC or CIPF regulated brokers are more trustworthy. ECN or STP execution. This means your orders aren't manipulated. Low spreads, no hidden fees. For EUR USD, spreads under 1 pip are ideal. Robot-friendly. The broker should support EAs, copy trading, and ideally offer a free VPS for stable execution. Fast withdrawals. Preferably with PayPal or local bank transfer options. Choosing the wrong broker can ruin even the best trading system. Now, let's go over 3 of the most trusted Forex brokers that support MT4 for traders in the US and Canada in 2025. 1. FXCM, regulated in the US and fully compliant with NFA standards. FXCM supports both MT4 and TradingView. It offers lightning-fast execution and spreads starting from 0.2 pips. This is a great choice if you want legal protection and platform stability. Minimum deposit, just $50. 2. Oanda, a long-established broker with an office in Toronto. Oanda is regulated by IIROC and offers excellent support for MT4, both in terms of UI and API. Their spreads are transparent, though slightly variable. One big plus, no minimum deposit required. Ideal for long-term strategies and traders who value research tools. 3. IC Markets, a top-tier ECN broker popular in Canada. IC Markets offers powerful servers, fast execution, and full support for automated trading. With a raw account, you can get ultra-low spreads, just 0.1 pip. Plus, if you trade enough volume, they'll provide a free VPS. Perfect for EA traders and scalpers. No matter which broker you choose, I recommend testing it with a demo account for at least 7 days before depositing real money. Here are a few important tips when using MT4 on a new broker. Always check the ping time to the server. If it's over 150 ms, consider switching to a different VPS or finding a broker with closer servers. Test your EA on demo before going live. Always set up auto stop loss in your EA. Some brokers will exploit the lack of stop loss by widening spreads or executing slippage unfairly. One last warning, many offshore brokers are now faking licenses from FCA or ASIC. If you can't find the broker on the official regulator's website, stay away. Choosing the right broker for MT4 not only saves you trading costs, it protects your account from unnecessary risks. A great trading system running on a poor broker is like driving a race car on a pothole-filled road. Take the time to check reviews, test demo accounts, read the fine print, and most importantly, don't fall for flashy ads. Which broker are you using for MT4? Share your experience in the comments. I'll read and respond to real insights from our community. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more videos on trading strategies, broker reviews, and risk protection tips. And if you're interested in copy trading, don't miss the next video, Top 5 Copy Trading Platforms in 2025 for US and Canadian traders. I've put the link in the description below. See you there.